Okay, so this is the new Speedy connector. Speedy, you'll see in a minute. With removable connectors. So this is style number 2. I've got style number 1, which is the original one, which I'll show in a minute. So this is Speedy connector. So removable connector number 2. So basically, you make sure these red wings are open, and then you just roll in and pull the connector onto your frame, clamp each side, push away, lock the button, switch it on by 3 seconds, and put it into drive, and you're gone. Right. Minus for 3 seconds, and you've got reverse. Right. Power down, 3 seconds again. There's a pin here. I'll show you that on a close-up in a bit. So basically, unlock the lock, and all you do, this central bit here, push it away, and that will take it back to ground. And then all you do is you undo these red flaps on there, what do you want to call them. And of course, if you then want to put it into the car, you take the battery off, because obviously it weighs quite a bit, and you take the connector off. So there you go. So that's Speedy connector. So it's removable connector type 2. So this is the new under-seat connector. So you slot in this bracket. I'll take it out in a minute to show you. And then it will hold a folding chair rigid, and show you now. Okay, so there's a little hook which you can see goes under the bar and the bracket. Push away and you're on. Basically, once again, 3 seconds, brakes off, and you're good to go. Right, let's reverse back into the centre. Okay. So, power off, and then to disconnect, there's just one button here you press. Press the button. And that's the Underseat Speedy connector. Now I'll show you the bar that's making all the difference. So technically, you have got that, and all you've got is a little tiny lug that stays on your chair. You can see that in the pictures. So that's it. Basically just load it up. You need like 3 hands really. Do it before you get in the chair. Okay, removable connector type 1. So makes it a little bit lighter to lump in the car with the battery off as well. So hang on. Same frame clamp as the original rigid fixed connector. So you pull it onto your frame. I hook the plate around the back and then push that forward. Then you make sure the locking pin, which is here, is undone, which means you can then push away and then pull the handle back and put the locking pin in and you're good to go. So to undo and lock, take the locking pin out, and this central piece here, you just basically push the handle away, and then you take off the frame clamps and push away. As I said, this is removable. So this is the original rigid fixed connectors. Okay, so basically you roll into the frame clamps, you just add a little bit at the back and you undo what I call the whirligig, push away, lock, good to go. So disconnect, undo the whirligig, take a bit of pressure off this central piece with the tongue, and then to save it dropping down, lock off the position you're going onto the chair at, undo, and then yeah, good to go. So that's all 4 styles. Horses are courses really. All the Trikes do exactly the same thing, but just the removable connectors make it a tiny bit lighter to lift in a car. But I've lifted this in, so anyway, the choice is yours.